Hello guys, this is a follow-up session of the tutorial that I gave for creating animations using After Effects and exporting it using body movement for use in Android and iOS and React Native. This is Lottie, a beautiful library created by the folks at Airbnb, and its open source animation tool, which we can use to create awesome animations like these. And it is inspired by very good people from it's inspired by Squall, keyframes, and different communities like Nine Square, Motion Corps, and Animography. So also Mobilo. So what we need to do is, firstly, let's see what all we can do. This is Lottie. If I want to see use, we can create pin jump. We can create the Twitter heart. We can scale. We can change the progress. A whole bunch of stuff we can do. Isn't that amazing? So let's start with it. To start with, I'll create a project. I'll call it Lottie Demo. I do next finish. While the project is being created, I'll go to the Lottie GitHub page and see what all we can do. This is the Lottie GitHub page, and it is available for Android, iOS, and React Native as I told you earlier. And the good thing is, this is a tool in which designers can create and ship beautiful animations without an engineer painstaking recreating it by hand. So it does take all the pain from the engineer for creating these smooth animations. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog engineering drawing. Yeah. To start with, let's copy this compile dependency and paste it in our Gradle file. I'll sync it. And how we can do it is, like, we have to copy. One way of doing it is using this Lottie animation view, which we can add it onto our XML. Or if you want to create it programmatically, we can do Lottie animation view is equal to find view by ID and set the animation by hand and loop through and play animation on the Java file or the Kotlin for now. What else we can do is we can load it from the network, we can cache it. It's easy, it's simple, and it's verbose. It's so versatile. You can then control the animation using listeners. You can play them. You can set the progress. You can also set the scale. If that's not enough, we can also add color filters. So let's create the first Lottie animation. In the previous demos, what I had created was I had created loading animation. So here it is, loading.json. And to add it into my project, what I'll do is I'll go to the app, and inside that I'll go to main and create a assets folder. When that's done, I'll copy this tag Lottie animation view and paste it onto my XML. I'll center line and run it, and that's it. Here we have created our first Lottie animation. It's so easy and cool at the same time. So while that's being, oh my god, what happened? Something just happened. But what could it be? Runtime exception. Error inflating Lottie. Why? Why? Then run that again. Ooh. Oh, so the problem is I had to specify loading.json. It was hello world, which wasn't there in my assets. Even loading.json isn't there, so I'll copy it from here. I'm sorry for that. And paste it here. I'll run it. Voila. Now this is good, right? What else we can do is we can change the color filter. Let's say it's this pinkish color, that is this color accent. Wow, now it's pink in color. So isn't that amazing? For more information, you can go to this Lottie GitHub page and go through all. You can clone the sample, go through all this, and you can also add different kind of interpolation for After Effects. You can ask your designers that you have the capability to do all this, all the interpolations, solids, masks, track mattes, parenting, shape layers. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do with it. And if you have, if you want to open source your animations, you can submit a Lottie file, and here's this lottiefiles.com, in which people have created different animations, and you can download it, you can use it right out of the box. These are so beautiful animations. So, well, I was really fascinated by Lottie. I hope you are too. I'll see you until next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.